Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Low and today I'm going to talk about fundamentals of 6 useful networking commands. We'll start off with Ipconfig. The option /all can be added so that it can display the full configuration information. All network adapters that are currently or not in use are displayed here. I have a virtual machine installed, so it also shows the related information for the virtual machine. As I'm using a wireless adapter, a Wi-Fi, it shows all the information such as the DHCP is enabled, meaning an IP address will be automatically assigned to me instead of requesting for one manually. My IP address, my subnet mask, my IP list renewal, the day I obtain it and the day it expires, where it renews after a certain time to ensure it has up-to-date configuration information, and my default gateway. Secondly, we have the ping command. It can be used to test the availability of the source to reach a certain destination. There are many options that can be used. The easiest way to test is by pinging our own routers. The router's IP address can be taken from default gateway, as usually it is the same IP address as the router. As you can see, we send 32 bytes to the destination, which is the router. Time equals ms1 indicates the round trip time for a package to reach the host and for the response to return to the sender. We can also ping a certain website, example google.com, and the same response can be seen as well. Netstat command is used to display current network connections and port activity on your computer. To speed up the process, we'll use netstat -n to show the active connections as it doesn't resolve IP addresses into host names. So from the left, it shows the TCP protocol is being used. This column here shows the IP addresses with 192.168.0.193 as my PC's IP, and the address behind my PC's IP indicates the port number, which has been automatically assigned by Windows in order to connect to remote IP and port. Foreign addresses connected will be displayed here. Moving on, Netstat -a displays active connections and which TCP and UDP ports are currently listening for a connection. But as usual, to speed things up, we'll combine the command with n. Zero point zero point zero point zero means the port is listening to all available IP address, while those that have a specific IP address means it has established a connection, such as my PC to another device. That's all with my sharing for today's video. Thank you.